Welcome to the IQ Option video tutorial. Today I'm going to teach what is IQ Option and what you can do in that platform. There are so many platforms currently in the world that giving us the chance to invest and do Forex. In IQ Option we have mainly 5 different type of investment opportunities. One is crypto. Second is CFD stocks. Third is Forex. Those are most common options in Forex platforms. But IQ options specially have another 2 options that have profit up to even 900%. Those are digital and options. I will talk more about those investing options later. As same as the eToro platform. IQ option also give us the chance to practice in their platform even without depositing or giving them our credit card details. Once you click on the sign up button you will see a form with a big green button saying open an account for free. Just give your first name, last name and correct email address. And a password. Also you have to accept the terms and conditions. After you fill all the details and click on the button, you will receive an email to your mailbox and you have to click on the link to confirm your email address. Most special things in this IQ option platform is we can deposit even the $10 and start trading. And other thing is you can put a deal only using $1. Doesn't that sound good? Anyway, for time being we are going to trade only in practice mode. Okay. Once you click the link on that email you will be able to log into IQ option platform. After you logged into the platform you will see many options on the page. But for now we are just going to trading area. For that you have to click on this orange icon. Okay. Now we are in trading area. You can see this big green color button in the top of the right hand side on your screen. By clicking on that you can top up your account with actual money. We'll do it later. For now we will use practice mode. So to use practice mode you have to click on that small green color drop down icon. Then it will open this menu and on the bottom of the right side. You will see this practice account link in orange color. Just click on it. Then it will pop up and tell you that you have moved to practice account. To get confirmed that you are using your practice account, always look top of the right hand side of your screen. If you are correctly in practice mode it will show you the balance amount in orange color. This will be important when you are using actual money. Okay, now we are confirmed that we are on practice mode. Then the first thing we can see is this area with a moving chart of Euro-USD currency. We can always change this chart to any other using this icon here. And you can change the chart layout by clicking on this icon. Also you can keep multiple charts on screen. With this plus sign you can add more chart tabs to your screen. You can keep frequently using charts on this tab for your convenience. Once you click on this plus sign this menu will be open. And you can select crypto, CFD, Forex, digital or options. Up to now IQ option platform have added 15 cryptocurrencies into their platform. And this will be grow in the future. By clicking on any of this instrument it will show the chart and add a quick tab to the menu. Let's click on the Ripple. A fast growing cryptocurrency and at the moment it is in the top 5. If you want you can even close previously added tab. You can customize the chart view. You can simply zoom in or out using your mouse middle wheel. And you can drag and view previous dates as well. Also at the bottom you see this menu and you can adjust the view from 5 seconds to even 30 days. And there are few icons on the left hand side. Using this icon you can change the chart type, time interval. And the other one is having some tools that an advanced user can use for chart drawing and technical analysis. Next you will have an option to have indicators. Even as a beginner you will find these tools are much helping. Check this first indicator. It is moving average. It is a group of technical indicators that basically use to determine the current trend. Let's click on this. And just simply click on apply. Here now we can see a red line that show us a moving average. Just see these points. Once this moving average is crossed by the candle it will go either side depending on when it is crossed that line. See, when it is crossed on a downtrend, it will keep going down for a while. And when it is crossed on the upside, it will keep going up. So when we are trading, we can do some quick trades just looking at these trends. Even you can use multiple indicators at once. These are the most basic options in the platform. And in next video we'll see how to make a trade, and in next video